Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 7,003, the sheriff's front door. If price breaks in, the town is theirs. Value area low, VAL, 6,995, the dusty floor of the saloon where the brawls usually start. Point of control, POC, 6,998, the town square where every trader is currently loitering and swapping stories. Support zone, 6,992 to 6,995. A sturdy hitching post for bulls to tie their horses. Resistance zone, 7,003 to 7,007. The high ridge overlooking the canyon where outlaws like to wait. Single print, escape paths, lower, 6,978 to 6,979. A narrow mountain pass where price slipped through like a ghost in the night. Intermediate, 6,989 to 6,992. A dry creek bed that could trap any careless rider trying to cross. Upper, 7,000 to 7,007. The very peak of the mountain where the air is getting thin for the buyers. Market context. Today's profile looks like a tense standoff at high noon. Price has been circling the 7,000 frontier, unable to decide if it wants to head for the gold mines or retreat to the desert. The trail shows a clear upward trek over the last few sessions, but the heavy legs of the bulls suggest they might need a rest at the saloon before climbing any higher. It is a balancing act on a rickety bridge. Sideways chop with the lingering scent of gunpowder. 3-day march through the territory. Day 3, January 25th. POC, 6901, high 6917, low 6879. A quiet Sunday at the ranch with the herd barely moving. Day 2, January 26th. POC, 6,929, high 6,996, low 6,912. The gold rush began in earnest as bulls stampeded across the high plains. Day 1, January 27, POC 6,998, high 7,007, low 6,978. The posse is circling the wagons at the 7,000 frontier. Volume analysis, cumulative, volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD, 1,608 contracts. Our day began with just a few coins in the saddlebags. Intraday peak, buying, CVD 12,244. A massive shipment of gold arrived at the midday peak. Current CVD, 4,440 net positive, 2,832 from open, meaning outlaws raided the stash recently, but the posse still holds the town. Intraday low, CVD, low, 1,074. The lowest point of the morning skirmish before the reinforcements arrived. Interpretation. Aggressive sell-side pressure has entered the late session, meaning any rally will need a fresh herd of buyers to reclaim the high ridge. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near VAL, 6,992 to 6,995. Stop loss, below the creek bed at approximately 6,989, 9 points below entry. Profit target, initial target at POC, 6,998. Major target at VAH, 7,003. Short trades. Entry zone, rejection of VAH, 7,003 to 7,007, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss, above the ridge at approximately 7,008. Profit target, POC for the first bag of loot, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per bounty, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the hitching post after the first gold is secured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above, VAH. The posse breaks through the sheriff's barricade at 7,003. Setup. Enter long above 7,003 with stop at 6,998. Target 7,015 and beyond on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The outlaws kick the bulls off the ridge at 7,003 to 7,007. Setup. Short on the first failure off the ridge. Stop at 7,008. Target 6,998, then 6,995. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The saloon floor gives way and the market falls into the dusty basement. Setup. Short a break below 6,995. Stop at 6,999. Target the 6,989 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. Bulls find a fresh water hole at the low end of town and mount a defense. Setup. Long at 6,995. Stop at 6,992. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.